Class List tool in Brightspace provides educators with a number of options for accessing specific features related to a given student or group of students. From the class list, you can quickly email the whole class if you would like. Additionally, you can see when a student last accessed your class. If you want to email a group of students, simply select the students that you wish to email and then select the email option. This will create a message where each of the students are automatically blind carbon copied. Additionally, you can select the chevron beside the student's name, and based on the permissions and settings from the school or school district, you can see the options here. One option you may wish to look at is the progress view. This provides you with a quick overview of what the particular student has been doing with the course. You can look at what content they've been visiting, how long they've spent in these pieces of content. You can look at their discussion posts and responses, assignments that have been submitted, quizzes that have been completed, or checklists that have been completed. You can also look at the login history for this particular student and see how many times they've logged in and for how long each time. The Class List tool can be a very useful tool for helping you quickly understand what a student is doing inside of your class. Brightspace for K-12. Easy, flexible, smart.